Lois was going to be here today?
Well, I think he said noon, but you know it's never running on time. With all the lines and everything, the way that the
I just can't wait for it to get here.
I don't. I can't wait to see it.
I know. I've never seen it in person. All I've seen is illustrations in the magazines.
I know.
And when she wrote to me and said she had one and she can't take it back east with her. It was already assembled. I didn't have to wait for shipping. And at an excellent price.
Oh, yes. I understand. Your price was absolutely.
And $15 is what the hand cranks sell for. And this one has the full treadle, so I think I did very well.
So
with this.
much easier to work with.
And I hear they go faster than the hand.
Yes,
And so I think I'll be very pleased with this.
I think so.
And I just can't wait for it to get here.
I
I suppose we ought to spend our morning figuring out where it's going to go.
exactly. Where do you want it?
It's not a lot of space.
No, I think this would be the best place for it to go.
Yes. We can't put it here because it would get in the way.
Mm-hmm.
We do need our...
And you might want to hear a window for light.
Yes, but do I want it in front of the window? It'd be more difficult to open the window from behind.
That's true. And it might actually, the breeze might actually blow your material.
And also it needs to be away from the fire. I can't put it near the hearth,
No,
plus cooking.
Don't want it there. What about over here next to the door?
Or where else are we going to put our coats? Because that doesn't need to be on it, so it needs to be by the door.
That is true. That is true. I don't know. Why not? You have the trunk.
Oh, and just set it against the wall.
Yes.
And the trunk could go underneath the window.
Yes.
It can even just be moved right over to underneath that window. Right.
Well, let's move. Because it will be here.
I'm so excited for it. I just keep looking out the window all morning long. I just look out the window to see if it's arrived yet. And I know it hasn't.
Don't do that. That's going to make the day last even longer. Just let's get the house ready to put it in its proper place.
Excellent.
Okay.
Alright, let's see if we can move this thing. What is in this thing?
I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Should we unpack it and then move it?
I have to. Just have. Okay.
Oh,
It's
It's a bed. It's a bed. It's Cody's bed in a box. That's actually Cody's bed in a box.
how are the children?
They're good.
Excellent.
Okay.
Well, we are trying to move
We're going
this.
to move this and put it over there.
Okay.
So we have to make it a bit
Lighter.
lighter to move. Yes.
Okay, well there you go.
Alright. Okay, she's not over here.
Okay, I'll wait for
Alright, I'm gonna repack the trunk. Oh, men's coat's so heavy.
I have no idea. But they are. There we go.
Use less fabric on the dress, so how are they heavier?
I don't know.
Is it heavy yet?
I don't know. Wait. I think. Is that it?
I see it. I see it.
Is that it?
I see it. It's here.
It's here.
It's here. Oh, let's go get it.
Watch your hands.
Oh, it looked kind of hard to get close on it. I was so worried about it on transit. I mean, and typically, of course, they ship them in boxes and crates.
Absolutely.
But, oh, it's finally here.
It is.
All the way from St. Angela.
Yes.
And I understand it's not a very long ways to go, but considering it came from back east, I know it's a year or two out of date, but
perfect.
It'll still work just the same. It is the new patent, though. I'm very
I understand,
excited.
yes, it is from the new patent. So,
It's apparently the old ones with the glass will break, and
yes,
so this is apparently much better.
yes,
So
I've
I
heard that.
told so.
You're so lucky.
Let's get it off. See it.
Oh,
Look at it. Extended table.
and the drawers.
Oh,
Look at the.
oh, it's beautiful. Wonderful workmanship.
Okay, I have to see it.
I do too. Oh,
Oh, it's
oh, I've never seen one in person.
beautiful. Oh, it's precious.
Now, of course, we have to figure out how to make it work.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Where's the thread? Is the fabric we need to test this?
I know. I don't understand. I think there's some over here. You want some fabric?
Yes, please.
Do you care?
Nope.
Does it come with me?
Instructions. Right, the thread, and well, I figured that out. That
Okay.
made logical sense. And then it goes through this hole.
And then it says to go through that one. Yes,
This one. Okay.
that one.
Does it matter? Which
That way. I
This way?
I think it's that way.
Right.
And then here. I think it's talking about this one here.
Is there something? Is there something
Maybe-
here?
Oh, that's it. Yes. That makes much more sense. And then what?
I think you were right. I think it's this
Okay.
next.
That makes sense.
And then here.
Mm-hmm.
And then through the needle.
Yes.
Got it? This is a very tiny eye. Quite possibly. Oh, no. I got it.
Good.
All right.
Now, it says it has an automatic tension, so you don't have to do anything about that. I'm not really sure what that means. So,
Okay.
you're supposed to just place the
This
needle.
goes up and down, so I assume this needs to go down.
Yes, I'm thinking this is the foot. This is the metal foot instead of the glass one. And it's supposed to go down, and then you're supposed to...
Oh, wrong. It does not go that way. It goes
Okay.
this way.
It goes the... yes, in a clockwise fashion. Oh, look! Oh!
Look how fast.
Oh, my goodness.
Look how fast. Make shirts in a quarter of the time.
Oh, no.
We are going to make.
Don't make them that quickly. You'll make making shirts forever. You'll never be able to make the dress.
Look at that beautiful stitch.
Beautiful.
Oh, it pulls out though.
Oh,
Does,
that's a problem. Oh,
does it say anything? I'll do this again.
okay. Oh, okay. Now pull out a section of thread long enough to tie a knot.
Oh.
Yes. So you'll want to tie a knot from the upper and lower.
Oh, just through the loop.
Yes, through the loop.
Through
Yes.
The, oh.
Through the loop. Yes, that's it.
That's quite logical.
Yes, it looks like you're tying a knot. An ash.
Oh, yes. Okay.
And now it should come
Excellent.
through. Yes.
Excellent. That is
Oh, very
beautiful.
nice. I love it.
It stitches to an inch, and it's at 12.
This is 12.
It goes up to 30. Let's see
30.
what that looks like.
Will you be able to see it?
My goodness.
Goodness gracious.
Do you want to come see it, Jamie?
See it?
See it. It's a machine that sews.
It's a new one.
It is. Yes, it's a new. We got a machine that sews.
Sews.
Let me see.
Isn't that fantastic? Look at that.
Let me see. Let me see.
Can you come see, Anna? Do you want to try working?
Can I?
Yes. I will work the pedals. You just gotta keep your fingers straight.
Turn it to,
I did.
alright, put your hands on here.
You're gonna be in charge. Let's see if I can
Put your hand right here.
away from the needle though.
I'll hand out completely, like this.
A little bit harder to do with a child on your lap.
Yep. Look. Jenny's sewing. You did it!
Alright, next child's turn. So you're gonna guide it? Yep, just don't get your fingers in there. Look how fast.
Good job, Anna.
I will not know what to do with my time.
You'll have so much time, but I'm afraid you're going to be making nothing but shirts.
I'm so pleased with it.
I'm so glad for you. Wonderful.